If you've got this brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus, let me show you how to customize your AOD display clock face and make it look like truly yours. To customize it, you first have to make sure always on display is turned on. And for that, make sure you have already set up a screen lock PIN, password, or pattern. Okay, so first we're gonna just go ahead, open up settings. From here, look for lock screen and AOD and make sure always on display is turned on. Tap on it to enter. In when to show, make sure this option always is turned on so that your clock will always appear. Now after that, lock your screen, press on it to wake it up, and then tap and hold on your screen. Enter your screen lock, and there it is. To change the clock design or style, tap on your clock. Now first of all, you can expand or shrink it right from here. Also, you can reposition it. And then a lot of other options will pop up at the bottom, like font and color. From here, you can change your clock font. If you don't like it, just tap on this three dot. And you can download more font from Galaxy stores. Now going back to the main settings, from here you can make the font thinner or bolder. You can change the font color. And also, in Style tab, you can select different styles from analog to digital. Calendar will appear, your special day like birthday will appear and stuff like that. You can also toggle on or off these options as you like. And when you're done changing the settings, just tap on in this empty space and just go ahead, press done. And whatever changes you have made to your always on display clock will always be displaying over your lock screen. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.